Hello everyone, in this video we will be taking a quick look at Schoology, an introduction to the navigation and some of the more important things to remember when we're looking for new places. As you can see, I'm currently on my home screen, and on the left side here we have the left pane. In the center we have recent activity, and on the right we have upcoming, so we have 3 panes. We'll start on the left. And we see that we have recent activity, which is selected, and that appears in the center. We can also choose grades and attendance, calendar, and we can see on the calendar what assignments we have, what the day is, what our month or week is going to look like. Messages, so if we are talking to anyone inside of Schoology, and we also have people, so if we're connected with people, or if they're in the school directory, they will show up here. And if you notice, the different choices we had over here took away our right pane. That happens sometimes. So I will go back to recent activity. And now we've looked at everything on the left pane. And we can see that the middle pane updates and we have choices inside of that. And right now, because I have no upcoming assignments or events, they don't show up in the calendar on the right side. So if we go to the top, in the bar, we have the search. So if we were looking for a person, a course, or a group, we could do it here. Or if we're not quite sure where it is, we can use this one. We have the home button, which no matter where we are, brings us back to here. We have a courses drop-down, which will let us see the classes that we're in and navigate to them if we would like. We have groups, which is the same. It'll show us the groups that we're in, and we can go to them if we would want. And then we have resources. So this is a place where you can put things for yourself to check out later if you're going to use in more than one class. And then to the right side of the nav bar, we have messages, requests, so if people are asking you to join a group, and then notifications. So if someone posts something in a class or an assignment is given a due date, you'll see it here. And if we go a little farther, we see here we have this support icon, which is the question mark, and this brings up the support contacts for Schoology here at Southwest Tech. And the last thing I want to talk about is your profile, and how we get to that is just by clicking on your name here. And that'll take us to a new page. And you can see that we have contact information. We could put a picture in here if we would like. We could post some things about ourselves. And that is a real brief introduction to the navigation of Schoology. And if we want to remember, we can always go home and start from scratch if we get mixed up. But we have a left pane, a center pane, and a right pane for all our different sources of information.